Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson where we are going to use Google Cloud Platform to build a cloud function and then test that function with the inline editor. Cloud functions are just serverless compute functions that we can run, which means we can execute code without provisioning servers. So the first thing we need to do as always is create a project. You can create a project from the right hand side if you're on your main dashboard, or as always you can go to the top, click new project, and then give that project a name. I'm just going to call this demo project function, and we click create. That's the project now created and we're on the main dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is actually enable the cloud build API. So if we type in cloud build, you'll see that it comes up and we click on it, and then we just want to enable that API. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute, and we'll click enable. Okay, that's the build API enabled. So the next thing we need to do then is go to cloud functions themselves. So type in cloud and function and we get cloud functions. Again, the first thing we need to do is enable this API. So it's off and running and getting ready to enable it. And that's just ready. So then we click create function. And the first thing we need to do once it loads is actually give our function a name. So I'm going to call this demo function 1. Let's keep it in US Central. Actually, let's change the region. I'm just going to change it to something closer to me. You can keep it in any region you want. I'm going to go to London. Yep, that's everything, and we'll save. Then go next. Then, you know what, we'll keep it in JS Node. It doesn't really matter for this purpose. We'll keep it in Hello World. And then the next thing we need to do is click deploy. Takes a wee second, and then we appear on the next dashboard. And as you can see, that's the next dashboard up and running. The function isn't actually ready to do anything until a green tick appears here. The function is currently being deployed. So leave it with me and I'll resume the video once it's up and running. Okay, and as you can see, that function is now ready to go. It's got a green tick. So if we go over the actions and we click test function, this will allow us to test that function. It actually has its own inbuilt editor. So if we go into the triggering event and it's a JSON and we say message, and then we give it the message hello world, we'll get it printed out hello world. Click test function and you see the output is hello world. It's often fetching logs, so this can take a couple of minutes the first time we do it. So that's everything for today. We logged in, we created a cloud function, and then we tested that function using the inbuilt features in GCP. As usual, I'll make all the resources from today free on my website, www.johnnychivers.co.uk. And until next time, thanks for watching.